So I told Mike over there, I said, I'm putting you on YouTube tonight.
Okay, now, calibration of the jig. Folks, if you haven't mastered joinery in about 10 minutes, you might want to think about bird watching as a hobby. We're going to put a 90-degree fence in place. We're going to get a nice piece of wood here. We're going to give this joint to this nice lady. Up against the fence, over to the end block. Hold it with a clamp. To adjust the backwards and forwards position, use a setup block. Run the templates into it, run the wood into it, tighten the knobs down. That's it. That's about as tough as it gets, folks. Now we're going to make the other half of the joint. First time through, I just kind of rough it out. Now I got to clean his ears out. This bear has stuffy ears, and I got to clean them out. There we got the first bear hit. And the second one. Now we're done. Now we're going to set the jig to one side. Alright, we're going to take our piece.
It's still not done.
I'm going to sand it off here a little bit. And here we have teddy bear head joints, courtesy of the Woodline router joint system. And you can check it out at woodline.com.